To fix the black screen error in your Windows 10, please try this simple method. For this, first of all, click Ctrl Alt Delete keys in your keyboard together. In the next window, from these options, please click on Task Manager. Okay, then the Task Manager window will open. If this window appears like this, then please click here More Details. Okay, now in this window, please click on the first tab, File, and then click Run New Task. Now in this new window, please type here regedit, as you can see on the screen. Type it here and then put check mark towards the option under it, create this task with administrative privileges. Then click OK. Now the Windows Registry Editor will open. First of all, please expand the key named HKey local machine. Then from its subfolders, please expand software. From its subfolders, expand Microsoft, and then please locate for the folder named Windows NT. Okay, it is here. Please expand it. Then expand its subfolder named current version. Now please locate for the folder named Winlogon. Okay, it is here. Please select it and then go to the right hand side. Now from these keys, please double click on the key named shell. Okay, it is here. Please open it by double clicking. Now in this window, under value data, please type explorer.exe, as you can see on the screen. Type it here and then click OK. Okay, now you have done it. Please close all these windows. Now once again press Ctrl Alt Delete keys together. Now in this window, please go to the lower right corner and then please restart your computer. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. We hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for the latest updates. Thank you.